Hello, my name is Anathastopoulos, and I'm going to present you my project entitled Classification Detection with Convolutional Neural Networks. Um, Very briefly, I'm going to present you my concept. Actually, I'm using the known as VHN database, but the format one with a whole sequence of digits. I'm trying to extract them, a whole bounding box, and compress it to 48 by 48 by 3 and maintain the channels here. And the only pre-processing stage is dividing by 255. So suppose that I have created my model. I try then to apply a sliding window with the Gaussian pyramid and extract some inferences and predictions according to my model. After that, I noticed that I had very many um, false positives. So one way to resolve this was to use a heat map with a threshold of 2, and after that a new inference is made for the candidate, and the strongest candidates are evaluated again, and the strongest one is the winner. You can see here in my section some details about my implementation of the data processing. Here is my deep learning model. This is the output. It's multi-labeled, so you can see 6 outputs here. It's one output course. It's actually a convolution. A fully connected network, representing each one of these inputs here. Yeah. So in this section here, you can see my tuning hyperparameters like the batch size, the learning rate, and Y. My activation function on the last stage, it's categorical cross entropy, and of course some goodies of Keras like early stopping, which helped me a lot. Right now, this is my final probability of selecting the appropriate candidate. You can see here the heat map application where I resolve my last candidate, my strongest candidate. I used maximum suppression, but it didn't work out very good, so I ended up with this implementation, and you can see here some results. I have some very good results, but I also have some negative results. My implementation is very sensitive to rotation and a little bit of scaling. You can see here my performance metrics, and eventually the model that I ended up with, which is a VGG16, which I was trained from scratch, and I overall achieved a digit sequence accuracy of 93.96%, which is very good. This is very briefly my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Thank you.